Welcome to Echols Virtual Academy. Konnichiwa, kyodai, toshimai, my brothers and sisters. So one of my students asked me, Mr. Echols, how do you multiply multi-digit numbers? For example, a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Well, let's get to it. So say we have 78. Let's make it a 3-digit number. 785 times 21. 785 times 21. So, remember, as we did our problem, we lined it up according to the place value. You notice the hundreds place, there's nothing under it because 21 doesn't have anything in the hundreds place. The tens place, the 8 is lined up with the 21 with the 2 that's in the tens place. And then the 5 is in the ones place lined up with the 5. You always want to line your numbers up according to place value in order to make sure that you get the correct answer. After that, you go by place value. So the first thing you want to do is multiply everything by your ones place. Multiply everything by your ones place first. So 5 times 1 is 5. 8 times 1 is 8. 7 times 1 is 7. Next, you multiply everything times your tens place, which is your 2. But before you do that, you've got to add your placeholder 0. Now you can multiply freely. 5 times 2 is 10. You put the 0 down and carry your 1. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 1. Bring your 7 down, carry your 1. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. And you write down your whole 15. And now you add these little babies up. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 7 is 14. You put your 4 down and you carry your 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. And nothing plus 1 is 1. Your final answer is 16,485. So now, let's take a look at one more, because that may have been a little too quick. Let's take a look at one more. Say we have one of my favorite numbers, 777 times 49. So, once again, you want to make sure that that place value, that it's lined up according to the place value. And then remember your rules. Let's write them down so we remember them. First, you gotta multiply everything by your ones place first. So 7 times 9, 63, put your 3 down, carry your 6. 7 times 9 again, 63 plus 6, 69, put your 9 down and carry your 6. 7 times 9 again is 63, plus 6 is 69. And then before you do anything else, you gotta remember rule number 2. Put your placeholder 0 below the ones place. Because now you're multiplying your 10. So you put your placeholder 0 below your ones place. And then rule number 3, multiply everything by your tens place now. So Let's get rid of these little numbers right here so that we don't get confused. And we multiply everything by our tens place now. So it's 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Put your 8 down, carry your 2. 7 times 4 is 28 again, but you add 2. So now you put down your 0 for 30. Carry your 3. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 3 is 31. And now you add these little babies up. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 8 is 17. Put your 7 down, carry your 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Put your 0 down, carry your 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. And you bring down your 3 because it's not added plus anything. And your final answer is 38,073. Once again, 777 times 49 is 38,073. So, when it comes to multiplying multi-digit numbers, especially 3 digits by 2 digits, you follow the rules, you'll get the answer, you'll be okay, so that you can say along with me, hey, we got it.
Answer? Where'd you find this? Soka. Anata wa subarashi desu ne.
So next time in Mr. Echols Virtual Academy, what are we going to be learning? Well, tell you what, in the meantime, you can donate to my Patreon. You can click that subscribe button. You can like the video, comment up under the video, even hit the bell for notifications. Because my brothers and sisters, our time today is finished, and I must bid you adieu in saying, sayonara.